Tran ASAP automates the inventory tracking and management process, speeding up transactions, reducing resources, and improving accuracy. By combining Tran ASAP with Zebra equipment and SAP ERP software, BCC Distribution developed and delivered a turnkey solution to meet Tiffin Motorhome's key objectives to save time and money by increasing accuracy and productivity, but without ever sacrificing the commitment to quality that has built Tiffin Motorhome's outstanding reputation. BCC Distribution took the time to explore Tiffin Motorhome's entire operation to gain the understanding of how inventory had to move. The system begins with receiving raw materials to the warehouse-managed warehouse. Labels are pre-printed by SKUs or printed on demand when items are received and affixed to the materials. The Zebra MC92NO RF scanner is used to receive the material. Using the SAP transaction MIGO with the movement type 101, the user enters the PO number and scans the Tiffin SKU barcodes on each item. This step verifies that what was received matches the purchase order, identifies those items that are hot parts that have to go to the plant instead of the warehouse, and directs the put-away location or cross-docking for hot parts. Then, the inventory is automatically updated on the SAP. Next, the materials are put away in a bin in the warehouse, using a mobile version of the LT01, LT11 transaction. Using the MC92NO RF scanner, the items are scanned and the locations are recorded in the SAP. Materials can be moved within work centers and from bin to bin, using an RF scanning transaction at any time for accurate tracking. Raw materials are picked for production, utilizing the SAP reservations and transfer orders. This step applies wave picking that enables the handlers to pick multiple transfer orders at once to a user cart from the location bins. The user then scans the bin location and material, enters the pick quantity, and adds it to the cart. The next step is to physically move the previously picked materials from the user's cart to a buggy or trailer for transfer from the warehouse to the manufacturing plant, also using the mobilized LT01, LT11 transaction. To record the movement of the items, the user scans the materials from the cart and then the buggy location label. Once the picking is completed and the buggy is ready to be transferred, a traveler report is generated and will follow the buggy. The report shows a unique number and packing list of all the materials for the WIP Bay area. A custom mobile printing transaction allows for labeling specific serialized, large dollar items that have manufacturer's warranties on them. The MC67 scanning terminal indicates the item that needs to be tracked through serialization and then generates a 4" by 1" removable adhesive label with a serial number and model number from the portable, battery-powered, wireless Zebra printer. The label is affixed and will stand the item until it is installed on the vehicle. At the time of installation, the label is removed from the item and then affixed to the traveler report, where it will be matched up with the specific vehicle within the SAP software. The buggy is taken to the IM-managed production facility, where each vehicle is located within the production line. The RF scanning transaction uses movement 311 and 201 for location and cost center tracking. At the specific bay area, the user scans the traveler report, which relieves all material from the WM. Once the material is installed on the vehicle and applicable labels are removed and put on the traveler report, the material now has been issued to a specific job or vehicle, thus finishing the process of tracking the materials. Throughout the process, inventory can be tracked by part number or location using the mobilized SAP inquiries transactions, LS24, LS25. The user simply needs to scan or enter a material number or a location, and the RF scanner will show what and where materials are located. Finally, the system has been designed utilizing the SAP LI11N cycle count feature in the WM module. The system allows a user to scan a location and material number, which then validates the count list that is prepared within SAP. BCC Distribution was able to successfully develop and deploy a successful solution that met the unique needs of Tiffin Motorhomes. The company experienced an increase in inventory accuracy, the combination of tasks through the utilization of the mobile devices, and a reduction of the time it took to complete each transaction, which added up to a tremendous ROI for Tiffin. When you're ready to realize greater operational efficiency, Make the move to BCC Distribution.